Okay, so quick midweek analysis with gold, and as you can see from our previous analysis, ito nga yung downtrend natin na channel, no? It was um, fulfilled, no? Yung bounce dito sa ating support area. Okay? So these are the levels. So as I mentioned there, yun nga, pataas siya at that level, and where can expect where can we expect na it will continue to go down. Okay, so this could be a temporary thing with gold, no? How many times na na reject at this level? 4,600, 4,560. Those are the levels na talagang tinatama niya. This at 0.382 ng Fibonacci natin. So best case scenario, magtuloy-tuloy siya, mag-breakout siya ng 4.6. It will continue to go here. Yan, 4.9. And this is actually our golden ratio, no, yung pullback niya before siya mag-continue pababa. Okay, so it's not a straight line. So pero since we are trading this on a leverage, no, we can just do quick in and out of the market, and we don't need to ride it all the way up. Okay, unless you were able to secure your profit here, you were able to trail it, then let's say na you were able to buy here. And so kasi may rejection support area, may rejection bullish engulfing, and then we waited, there's a pullback here, and that's why we were able to ride it, and then have that. And as it goes up, and tinataas din natin itong stop loss natin. So we are at the break even level here, and even higher, no? So probably below the Fibonacci ratio to 0.236. Okay, if gold continues to go up, going here at 0.5, then we can move our targets, we can move our stop loss, no? You can move it here. Okay, there. So it will secure a profit. So at 4316, now you are at 4498. So malaki-laki na yan, no? And kahit mabalikan yan, okay na. Okay, pero sa galaw ni gold ngayon, I would not put my trailing stop there kasi napaka bilis lang niya. So if I'm going to put the stop here, I might as well just take the profit sa taas, no? Okay, so that's what we are expecting. So probably we can still see a downside movement with gold, and so pwede pa niyang balikan yan before it continues to go up. Okay, this one, and we are still expecting this to go down, and there's still inflation fears with oil, although si oil kasi, let's check, no? So that's the reason why we are bullish, is because all of other metals and are bullish, no? Very big movement then. And oil is already down, and so down 17% since the market opened nung Monday. And so at the current support level, si oil, and so pag na-break niya ang 87 pababa, then we can expect na it will fill the gap. Okay, or just gonna be here at the support level 69, 68 level. And so hopefully mag-reflect yan sa mga oil price rollback, no? And So going back with gold, that's what we are expecting. So there's still Thursday and Friday. So at Friday, we since this starts Monday, and this bullishness starts Monday, we could expect some profit taking here. Okay, so Friday could be a profit taking. So tomorrow, Thursday, there's an 8:30 high impact news unemployment claims, and yun nga, Friday would be no, there's going to be no high impact news Friday. Okay, there's only one, and yeah, that's it. So if you're interested in trading gold, kung wala pa kayong kung wala pa kayong tinitrade, no, or kung gusto niyo matuto mag-trade, I highly invite you to join our community. There's a link dyan sa comment section and also sa bio natin. So see you there.